Alright, it is a rainy day for some indoor projects. The last project that has to be completed from our haul out still is repairing the gel coat that was damaged and replacing that one through hull. Another project, you may notice that there's no tiller sticking out of the top of our rudder, and that is because it is inside drying, because when I went to go and revarnish, discovered that all this is rotten, and so we will be doing a repair on the tiller, removing these two sections down to about here on this side and down to here on this side, and replacing them with new teak, and then reassembling this. It's all totally molded on both sides. And then we'll revarnish the tiller and we'll be ready to go for a little while. Okay, so working on the tiller here, I have just used a circular saw to cut these two grooves at the two places that need to be sheared off, and I cut them at an angle so that they'll have more surface area to bond to. And I also, while I had the angle set on the circular saw, took a cut of corian, which is what I think we're gonna end up replacing these with, because we have some laying around the boat and it's basically the perfect thickness. Feels like there's a little bit more rot in here, but I think that I'm going to be able to pour epoxy in and have that set. So I think we're going to be good. Things didn't go exactly as planned with the tiller. It's unsavable, is the long story short. It was rotted through the entire butt end of the tiller, so there's a good chance no matter what we did when we reassembled it, as soon as waves got big, it was just going to snap. I've decided to go ahead and replace it with a metal tiller right now. I've just ordered parts for it, and so we're waiting for those to come in the mail. Okay, so yesterday I went and just completely, as much as possible, disassembled the entire companionway, galley, captain's desk area. And then this morning I went and cut some wood, and that is all sitting outside in the cockpit now, and we're gonna start test fitting our new aft end.